Okay, so there's different ways to start a campfire, and I'm going to show you how I was taught a long time ago. It works for us. It's not always perfect, but if you don't know where to try, you don't know where to start, try this. See, we've got two here. Basically, we're going to make it look like a table. I'm recycling some napkin from lunch as a fire starter. Put some thinner wood in here for kindling. And then I'm going to use some of the pine straw and stuff from around the campsite to get the fire started. So it looks like I just robbed a bird nest, but I didn't. I swear this is all pine straw. So I'm going to bury this in the middle of my wood here. I'm going to put the other pieces back on top. It almost looks like a table. And then put my other little pieces in here. The electric lighter that I got on Amazon. Just going to light this on fire. And that should be it. So there you have it, the start of a campfire.